Good morning, children. Today we will read Hanuman and I. This is 8th lesson of your literature book. This lesson has been written by Rupa Gupta. This is a play, a funny play. Before starting this play, I want to ask you something. Have you ever dreamed of performing on stage? In my opinion, your answer should be yes. But whatever your answer is, you can write on the comment box. If you are asked all of a sudden to perform in the annual day program, will you perform successfully and confidently? Will you refuse to perform without practice or will you perform nervously? What will you do? Suppose you are not in any program, but all of a sudden you are chosen to do some performance or something. What will you do? Yes, very good. You will perform successfully and confidently. Means at least you will try to perform successfully and confidently. I think no one will refuse to perform without practice because everyone is willing to do something, some performance on the stage. But one thing is also true that if there is no practice behind the role, you can be a little nervous. Okay, whatever your answer is, you can write in your comment box. Now let's start the lesson. Rupa, a small girl, has a strong desire to act on stage. She is very confident about herself. Luckily, she gets a chance to act on stage on the annual day. Does she perform well? Read the play and find out. Children, this is the story of a little girl, Rupa, the girl of your age, and she has a strong desire to act on the stage. And not only that, she is very confident about it also. Luckily, one day she gets a chance to act on the stage on the annual day. What happened? Does she perform well? Let's read in this play what happened. There are some characters, as you know, that when we read any play or when we do any act on the play, some characters are there. Here are also some characters: teacher, Rupa, Anu, who is Rupa's friend, Suman, who is playing the role of Rama, Radhika, who has become Sita, Alka, playing Hanuman, Ravana, and Chaukidar. These are some characters in this play. Let's have a look. I'm not going to read line by line, but I will tell you a general idea of this play. Let's see. This is scene 1. This is the scene of a classroom. As you know that in the play, every time scene changes. Okay? This is scene 1, a scene in the classroom. And what is happening in the classroom? Two girls, Anu and Rupa, is talking. Anu is saying that, do you know, Rupa? Preparations have begun for our school annual day function. Rupa is saying yes. Junior section is going to enact story of Rama. Anu is telling her that Radhika would certainly get Sita's role because she is so pretty, and a pretty girl will become Radhika. And now Rupa is saying that I wish I could get Rama's role. Means she wants to become Ram. But Anu said that no, Rupa, I think you would not be given Rama's role because you are shorter than Radhika. Means who is going to do Sita's role? You are shorter than her, and your voice is also shrill. Shrill means sharp and unpleasant. I don't think the teacher will give you Rama's role. This is Anu's opinion. Rupa said that I really want to act in the play. Rupa said that whatever the role be, I want to act on the play, on the stage in this play, and I would give a brilliant performance. Anu said that, well, why don't you talk to the teacher? She might give you Lakshman's role. Rupa, oh really, how exciting would be acting on stage with a bow and arrow on my shoulders. How surprised my parents would be. I can almost hear my father saying, we have such a talented daughter. Rupa is praising herself. Then the teacher enters the classroom. And all the children said, good morning, ma'am. Teacher, good morning, students. I have something exciting for you today. She is going to do some announcement. She said that we are going to play the story of Rama, and Suman will play the role of Ram, Radhika will become Sita, Alka will become Hanuman, and Neha will become Lakshman. Hearing this, Rupa is now become disappointed. Why? Because she wanted to do at least Lakshman's role, but teacher has given Lakshman's role to Neha. So Rupa has become disappointed. She knew she wouldn't get any role. She said to Anu, but teacher and Rupa, I have a role for you too. You will be one of the monkeys in the Vanarsena, and teacher has assigned a role to Rupa. And what is this role? A monkey in Vanarsena. Vanarsena has many monkeys and Rupa is one of them. Rupa, can't I at least get the role of Hanuman, teacher? She is asking that, can I do the role of Hanuman? Teacher, no child, your voice is too squeaky. Actually, her voice is shrill, sharp, unpleasant. So, teacher has assigned the role of one monkey in Vanarsena. Teacher, all you have to do with 7 other girls of the Vanarsena is to jump up. And there are 7 girls in Vanarsena, and what they have to do? They have to jump only and shout Jai Ram, Jai Hanuman. Rupa, just that much? Teacher, yes, my child. If you perform your role nicely, I'll give you the role of Hanuman next time. Now, scene 2. Let's see what is in scene 2. This is the scene of backstage on the annual day. Everyone is busy in dressing up. Then Chaukidar enters and he said to teacher that someone asked me to deliver this letter to you. And he handed a piece of paper, a letter to teacher. And what is in this letter? This is an application by the side of Alka because Alka has contracted measles and she is not well. So she is not able to do Hanuman's role in the play. That's why this is an application by the side of Alka. What? Alka will not come. What shall we do? How will we perform the story of Ram without Hanuman? Teacher is now become worried because Alka is not coming. And she thought that how will we perform the story of Ram without Hanuman? Then she saw Rupa. Rupa, you look. Rupa, you look here. You wanted to be Hanuman, didn't you? Do you think you can manage? Then now teacher has no option. She had to ask Rupa to do Hanuman's role on the stage. So she asked that, do you think you can manage? Rupa excitedly said, yes, this is as is my dream come true. Okay? Teacher said, can you manage it? Rupa, of course I can. Do you remember the dialogue? Teacher is asking. Rupa said that, no, I can't remember, but I can think up something, always think up something, so I can manage it. Teacher said that, no, I shall be prompting, means I shall be repeating the dialogue and you have to just say that one on the stage. Don't mumble, speak as loudly as you can. Means don't whisper on the stage. Your voice can be loud enough. Rupa is saying that don't worry teacher, I'll speak loud enough. And then scene 3 begin. On the stage, this is the scene of the stage. The curtain goes up and the teacher pushes Rupa on the stage. She almost falls on her face. Drums are echoing and her hands and feet are cold. Means Rupa is becoming nervous. Because the first scene is Rupa's. Rupa said, my Lord Rama, God Rama. Teacher prompting. Teacher saying the dialogue, my Lord Rama, I am your servant, I would gladly die for you. She said the dialogue and Rupa repeated that dialogue, my Lord, I am your servant, I would gladly die for you. Then what happened? A regular voice has come that you have forgotten to pin your tail. Actually, Rupa has forgotten to pin the tail. So, a regular voice, just to remind Rupa about the tail, said that you have forgotten to pin your tail. But Rupa thought that she should repeat that dialogue also. So, she said, you have forgotten to pin your tail. Now, Ram, don't be silly. I'm not supposed to have a tail. You have forgotten yours. And what happened? Rupa touched the spot where tail should have been and said, I'm sorry, my lord, I meant my tail. And the audience burst with laughter, started laughing. Then teacher said, now jump. And Rupa thought that she has to repeat this one also. So she said, now jump. Instead of jumping, she repeated these words and Ram shouting, you jump stupid. Realizing her mistake, Rupa starts jumping like a mad person. Audience again started laughing and the curtain falls. Teacher scolds Rupa for messing up everything and tells her that she would cut short her role. Rupa apologizes. And what happened? Teacher scolds Rupa for messing up everything. Now scene 4 starts and the curtain rises again. And this is the scene of Sita and Hanuman and they are talking in Ashok Vatika. Sita said, who are you? Rupa, I am Lord Rama's servant, mother. I have come to help you. Then Sita asked that how can I trust you? Rupa, this ring is Lord Rama's. He had asked me to give this to you. Oh yes, my Lord Rama's ring. And then Sita hides her face and starts weeping. Now what happened? Teacher prompting. This dialogue is for Sita, not for Rupa. Means not for Hanuman, this is for Sita. Sita forgot her dialogue, so teacher prompting, speak your dialogue now, speak. My beauty is my bane. Rupa thought that she had to speak that dialogue. She had to repeat that dialogue. So she started that my beauty is my bane. Okay, and she said that it is because of my beauty that wicked Ravana wants to marry me. Now Sita, surprisingly, she and said that you idiot, he wants to marry me. I am Sita, I am beautiful. And now again Rupa realizes her mistake. Rupa said, "Oh, I mean your beauty is your bane." And then at the time Ravan enters. Chorus means all the men together, means a crowd. Chorus said, "Welcome Maharaja, Maharaja is coming, Ravan the Great is here." And Rupa saw that the huge figure with a shining sword in hand enters. Rupa was scared now. Ravan said, "Who is this funny creature who dares to intrude into my kingdom?" Intrude means घुसपैठ करना. Intrude means बिना परमिशन के आ जाना. Funny means tiny, छोटा. Ravan asked, "Who is this funny creature who dares to intrude into my kingdom?" Teacher: "Speak. I am the son of Pavandev, the wind god, the worshipper of Ram, the immortal Hanuman." And teacher tried to remind Rupa her dialogue, but Rupa stands dumb and look above at Ravana because she becomes scared. Ravan, in a thundering voice, "Who is this small creature?" raises his shining sword to attack Hanuman. But Rupa is scared and she opened her mask, putting her mask off, and said that I am not Hanuman. Look, I am Rupa, I am not Alka. And the audience started laughing, and teacher becomes angry and comes on the stage and drags Rupa off the stage. This is the drama, children. In my next video, we will do exercises and question answers. Subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that